We gather here to witness and celebrate the union of Kaylee and Dylan. I've known Kaylee and Dylan pretty much as long as they've known each other. And I can say without a doubt that these two people are meant for each other.
Before you, my world was a swirl of chaos. My brain was too loud and the world was too big. You came into my life and centered me. You were and are the eye of my hurricane. Suddenly, I had a safe place. Hello. You not only allow me to, but encourage me to evolve myself and improve myself. Thank you for loving the Kaylee that I used to be, and thank you for loving the Kaylee I am now, even when I struggle to love myself.
As many of you know, Kaylee and Dylan are no strangers to the world of Dungeons and Dragons. And they have faced countless quests together, and I've had the privilege to watch as their love for each other has only grown, and they've become the wonderful couple that you see before you. And I am honored to help them as they embark on this next phase of their campaign.
Kaylee, it took me some time to figure out how I wanted to write this and how I wanted to express how much I love you. In the end, I don't think I'll capture everything you mean to me, but I'm gonna do my best here. You are the most loving person I've ever met. Not even just to me, but to everyone you meet. You make me want to be a better person. You give me such unconditional support and encouragement that all I want to do is make you feel the way that I feel. I'll always be there for you. I'll be there to protect you from everything that's overwhelming and scary. I'll be there to encourage you to follow your dreams and do what makes you happy. And I'll be there to experience every step of the way together. But most of all, I'm gonna be there to love you as much as I can.
I have been blown away by your patience and kindness and intelligence the last 7 years. You are the sweetest, most genuine person I have ever met. We've seen better days like today, but we have made it through some of the worst. We are now richer than we've ever been, but we have made it through the poor. We've been sick and we've been in health. So of course, I will have you, hold you, love you, and cherish you through whatever else may come. My heart is tied to yours forever. We can kiss.
We can kiss?
I think we can kiss.
Join me in welcoming our wedding party! For the first time as husband and wife, Dylan and Kaylee Catlett, give it up!
I don't know how to express how well these two fit together. And I don't know if you guys know anything of their history, how they grew up when they met, and the challenges that they faced in the first years they were together. would tell you that there's nothing that will keep these two apart.
Together, Dylan and Kaylee make a beautiful little pair who align beautifully and who adore the pet named Babe. If you've stayed with these two, you know you'll hear Babe, hey babe, okay babe, thanks babe, and babe at least 100 times. They always have the best YouTube videos to share with you. And when they're done for the day, they'll let you know and promptly go to bed.
We told him he was gonna get a girlfriend by the end of the semester. Comes to find out before school even starts, he has a girlfriend. Wasted no time. Kaylee, it has been absolutely wonderful watching your guys' relationship grow. You're an amazing woman, and you bring him so much happiness.
Kaylee, welcome to our family. We love you. We love you, Dylan. We're super happy you guys found each other. And you're meant for each other. So, congratulations. Babe.
So please join me in toasting these two and congratulating them on their new journey as the cutest little married babes.
We came here for a wedding, and we're leaving with a son-in-law. And we're very pleased. So thank you both. You'll have just as much good luck as my wife and I. So, there you go.
I'm gonna give you all.
Hard.
We did it.
That was fun.
I love you. I love you so much.